Listen carefully, because this might just be the biggest and last comeback of your life. Not tomorrow, not someday, today, right now. If you give me your full focus, this one video, this one moment, could completely rewrite your story. Point 1. Society puts us in an invisible jail. I remember my school days. Every classroom felt like a prison, not because of chains or guards, but because of expectations, rules, and constant judgment. Without realizing it, I lost my freedom. And maybe you felt the same, pressured, suffocated, trapped in a life you didn't choose. Point 2. Any comeback made while chained society is not true freedom. Society tells you, study this, work there, live like this, and if you obey, they clap for you. But deep inside, you're not free. The truth is this: any comeback you make while still tied to society's leash is fake. It's slavery with a different mask. Point 3. The real comeback begins when you walk your own path. Ask yourself, am I truly walking my own path, or just following one written by others? Real growth starts only when you break free and listen to your heart. That's where the comeback begins. Point 4. The 4 foundations of life: money, health, fulfillment, knowledge. Without money, you can't survive. Without health, you can't move forward. Without fulfillment, life feels empty. Without knowledge, you remain blind in a world full of opportunity. These 4 are the pillars of a true comeback. Point 5. Money is earned by solving problems, not chasing numbers. Money is not just paper. It's energy. It's the reward you get for solving real problems. Don't ask, how do I make money fast? Ask, whose problem can I solve? What value can I create? The richest people in history didn't chase money. They chased problems and money followed. Point 6. Health comeback requires deep reasons, not shallow ones. Most people quit their health journey because their reasons are weak. Wanting abs, wanting attention, wanting to look good. Those reasons break at the first sign of pain. Real health comebacks require urgency. Protecting your family, living strong for those who look up to you, or refusing to let weakness define you. Point 7. 3 paths appear every day: society's path, body's path, and the right path. Society's path keeps you controlled and safe, but small. Your body's path craves comfort, laziness, distractions, endless scrolling. The right path? The hardest one, the one you were born to walk. Point 8. Inside you are 3 people: hero, villain, true self. The hero inside wants to rise. The villain procrastinates and distracts you. But the true self is a judge. It decides who wins. The comeback doesn't happen because the hero suddenly gets stronger. It happens when your true self finally chooses differently. Point 9. Motivation is not enough. You need systems and discipline. Your body will always resist change. It will say, 5 more minutes, 1 more scroll, 1 more excuse. That's why you need external accountability and strict systems. Fixed routines, block distractions, goals written where you can't avoid them. Discipline is about building walls so that even when you're weak, you don't fall. Point 10. Settling is death. Never say enough. The moment you settle and say, this is enough, your soul starts to decay. Life is not about one final victory. It's an endless climb. Break your ego. Destroy your limits. Keep evolving. Keep rising. That's how you stay alive. Not just breathing, but alive. Point 11. This moment is perfect for the greatest comeback. Not yesterday. Not someday. Now. Right now is the moment to correct your life's path. This is the moment to break society's chains, silence the body's laziness, and let your true self choose the hero within. Because one day you look back at today and realize this was the day everything changed.